Today I'm taking down the dungeons of wargaming, shopping and painting competition combat. Hello Explorer, I hope you brought all your dungeon adventuring gear ready to tackle Sheffield's coolest wargaming convention, Chillcon. Coming up today we're checking out the painting competition entries. I'll even be flexing my own finger muscles in the speed painting competition, and we'll be participating in some wargaming combat across the battlefields. Of course I'll be doing a bit of spending today, got to pick up a few gifts, and I'll probably treat myself with a few indulgences. And bonus, everyone's favourite returning explorer is here, Malcolm, to help me out. Are you ready? Let's get going. This is the 5th Chillcon and it takes place in Ecclesfield School, not too far outside Sheffield city centre. They use 2 halls connected by a short corridor, then outside you've got the street food vendors and the Viking area. A smaller convention, so it's quite easy to get around. The emphasis is on joining in, painting and playing games. So let's go and check out some of those highlights right now. Sad tale of time management for you. I did not complete my painting competition entry on time. Unfortunately for the world, you're going to miss out on that. Fortunately though, the entries I've seen look incredible. Some of them, it's mind-blowing that people can paint as well as they have. Shall we have a look? Do you fancy it? In the blink of an eye, you're about to see me paint this Primaris Space Marine miniature within 20 minutes. Fast as the flash. It is going to be mind-blowingly quick. You're barely even going to see it. Oh my god, I'm terrible at this. It's the next I even try. Battle ravage.
So how are you feeling about your choices?
Right, painting competition, done. Surprisingly, I wasn't victorious. I'm quite happy with how my miniature turned out. I really feel like the decision to go with a quick black dry brush at the end really kind of brought it together. One of the audience members even described it as looking a bit burnt, which I take as a compliment because scars of war, scars of victory in this case, or near victory, The judges I'm concerned about are you guys. So let me know in the comments what you think, and while you write your answers, we'll go and check out some other bits and pieces. Purchasing today. I want to get a few gifts myself, and I've got a very generous friend who gave me his original copy of Heroescape and all the various expansions, and I feel kind of indebted to him, even though it's a gift. So, my mate Phil, I'm going to pick you up something nice. A quick game of Airfix, which actually works a little bit like Sabutio, where you have to flick the planes and then roll the dice to shoot down the opponent planes. My dexterity levels are not the best, so they're going to be hopefully improving as we play me versus Malcolm, World War II reenactment, in the air, above Sheffield. Let's go. First plane's been shot down. I'm sensing victory, but still plenty to play for. My dexterity levels are still quite low, so I'm not really good at flicking right now. That glorious victory. I actually won, in spite of my own terrible flicking abilities. I guided Britain to victory. Not the clearest cut of victories. At the end we both shot one another down, and it was more just fortunate that I can bask in this glorious victory. But Airfix, really fun game. Gift secured. I've kind of gone for a Walker Steampunk Dreadnought, so I hope he appreciates this. Nice one, Phil. Chillcon. It's just the engagement. Like, there's lots to do here. Everyone's really friendly. You can join in with the painting competitions. Nothing feels very judgy. It all just feels really welcoming and accessible. It's accessible to everyone. There's adults, young people, children here. Everyone joining in. Really great community atmosphere. Everyone's really friendly and chatty. I've had a really fantastic day. And if you want to see how this day compared to last year, click left for last year's Chillcon and click right for next week's adventure, when I do the absolute opposite of today. I go to Insomnia, the video game convention. Well, that's it for today, Explorer. We'll see you soon.